What's up? It's a girl. My name is Serenity. This is my first video, I think. I don't know. But today I'm going to be showing you the best slime I made like 4 minutes ago. Okay, I'm going to bring it out. And especially you guys need to get the iPhone 8 Plus. It is the bomb. Okay, I'm going to go. Look at it. It is so soft and smoothing. Let me get one of the things out I have in it. I have this little purple bead. And I have, that's it. I think that's it. Guys, I'm going to get the other one. Okay. Guys, it's so huge. Try to make a bubble. I've never tried a bubble. Wait. Oh, look at it. Okay, shh, guys, can you hear this? Wait, hold on. Okay. Comment down below if you love. Comment down below if you, what can I say? If you like jiggly slime that's so fluffy that you can play with every single day. Like when you wake up, it's in your hand. This is so fluffy. It's like the bomb. Even though you guys didn't shout out, or if you guys didn't like this, I want you guys to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. And comment down below, hashtag slime rocks. And you guys might get a shout out. Oh, I have one other thing in here. Let me see if I can find it. It's in here. I think I found it. I don't know. Okay. I always have to tear out my open my. Okay, hold on. Oh, I got it. Okay. This is really beautiful, but when it's all washed off, it's really pretty. It was on my pants. It was on my shorts. But I don't want it. Okay, you're gonna hear this. Watch, you guys hear this. This is so cool. Even though you guys didn't like or hashtag slime rocks, I'm gonna give a shout out to you, Life with Brothers, and you guys. You need to see Natalie's outlet. She's like the bomb. She's like the bomb. She tells you all this cool stuff, and she has erasable markers. No, wait. Erasable, pencils are erasable. Erasable, twistable crayons. And crayons that you can draw, like on a whiteboard. Guys, look how many pokes. If you, comment down below if you guys dare me to buy this. I'm just gonna buy it anyway. All I hate is shaving cream. I used 1 can of shaving cream. Okay, I'll tell you guys if you want to make it. I used 4 bottles of glue, and then I did shaving cream, just half a bottle, and it's my grandma, but I'm not gonna answer it. So I added four bottles of glue. And then one like half a can of shaving cream. And then I added pink. I added pink, neon purple, and neon orange, and it made this beautiful slime. And then after that, I added some more shaving cream. And then I stirred it basically. And then to activate it, it was like the bomb. I added borax. No, I think yeah, borax and water in it. I was like, oh, mom, it was so cool. When it first started, it was so cool. I'll stream my next video when I make another slime. It might be the same one as this. I love fluffy slime. I love fluffy slime. It's like the bomb. Look at, look at. Oh, slowly falling. Ah! It tore up. Oh no. Well, if you guys like this video, give it 2 double thumbs up, 1 in the comments, and 1 where the like is supposed to go. And give it a subscribe down below. And soon I will be selling all my slime. This one, never ever. I mean, if you like this slime, give it 2 double thumbs up. Yee! And do hashtag slime rocks. Hashtag slime rocks. And I will see you later, guys. Bye. We love you.